Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and in this video I have the October edition Ellish box to unbox and review. As you all know, it's a very affordably priced beauty subscription and it has always impressed me. It's priced at just Rs $3.99 including shipping. So let's quickly get started.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
This is how the package has reached me. It's a normal brown cardboard box. So this is how the Ellish box looks like, same as before and yet very pretty and colorful. I really like these boxes. Here it says Ellish, be elegant, be lavish. Once we open, we have some cards and some leaflets, and here are all the products quite nicely bubble wrapped. So let's go through them one by one. So the first product in this edition is this Cocoon Insta Lift Wrinkle Filler with Vitamin A. I have actually already tried this product. It came in my Envy box before and this is a really good brand and a very luxury product, and getting it in a subscription box so affordable is very surprising for me. It's worth 1000 rupees by itself. So here is the pricing mentioned. It's for 999 rupees. And it's so amazing that we could get it in our subscription box worth $3.99. Manufactured in 6/2016. Here are the ingredients mentioned. And used before 36 months, so till 6/2019. So we still have about 9 months to use it, so that's good enough. Here are all the details. So this is like a skincare that actually works as a primer for your makeup. So you can use this and the visibility of your fine lines and wrinkles will be reduced. And it kind of smoothens your face and makes it look very clear and smooth and even. So that's what this is about. This is how the packaging is. Packaging is quite great and you can see this is how the product is. It's a thick gel. So it is like a primer only but with some skincare benefits as well. And not much of a makeup product, so you can use it for a bit regularly as well. I'm very happy with the first product itself. And the second skincare product is from one of my favorite brands, and this product also I have used. This is the White Tea Night Cream from Nature's Co, and this is a sample size of 15 ml. I have used it and I really like it. It's not at all oily, it's very non-greasy, and still I feel my skin gets all the nourishment it needs. Here are the ingredients mentioned and you can see it has amazing ingredients and it does wonders on your skin. And this again is good for anti-aging if you have anti-aging issues. Both of these products can be used by anybody. It's not like only for people who are looking for anti-aging. These have good ingredients for people of any age. Then we have got a toner as well from the brand Ilana. It's a clarifying toner with witch hazel and camellia. So this will be good for combination or oily skin types. It's 100% naturally derived. Here are the ingredients mentioned and the claims of the product as well. And the cost of this 50 ml size is 550 rupees. Manufactured quite freshly in 9/2018 and best before 12 months. This is a new brand. I have not tried this, but I'm definitely looking forward to trying this. Toners is something that you must include in your beauty routine, guys. So many people ignore the use of toners, but they're really important, and I would highly suggest using a toner if you're not doing it already. Moving to the last skincare product, this is a product from Acom and it's the Serene Blossom Face Mask with neroli and sandalwood extract. It's a 100-gram full size and this says Rejuvenate. Manufactured in November 2017 and price is 570 rupees. Here are the ingredients mentioned, which do seem quite good. And here are the directions and the caution. Everything is mentioned here. Packaging is good too. It has 2 layers of packaging and this is how the product looks like. It has a very good fragrance as well and it has a creamy kind of consistency. It's not a completely mud based pack. So this will kind of hydrate as well as pull out the dirt from your skin. Definitely happy with this one too. And finally, coming to the makeup in the box, we have a product from Eleanor. I have used Eleanor lipsticks and other products and they are of good quality. They are available on Nykaa as well. And this one is a blusher. So it says powder blush, dermatologically tested, smooth natural finish for warm and gentle glow. This one you will get a choice of shade. And the ingredients are also mentioned here. Net weight is 4 grams and used within 36 months of opening this. The shade I chose is B03 Summer Coral. And this is how the packaging of the blush looks like. Simple packaging. And that's the shade Summer Coral. It comes with the applicator brush as well, but I'll probably use my own brush. And this is a beautiful everyday wear kind of shades, and this is a warm toned blush, so it will suit darker skin tones a lot. Actually, if I move, the shade is changing depending on the visibility of light, but let me keep it here. So this is how the color is looking to the naked eye. This is how it looks. I feel this is a very pretty shade. It will suit all skin tones actually. And finally, the last product is this one. It's a feminine paint relief patch by a brand known as Serona. It has one patch which is a sample, but I'm really excited to try this one. I've heard about these pain relief patches, but I've never tried them. It says it contains menthol to provide cooling relief from cramps during those difficult days. Okay, this is a pack of 5 and it says up to 12-hour relief, 100% herbal, instant relief and no side effects. So I'm very excited about this one. We do suffer from a lot of cramps and this is a very nice product to include in a subscription box. I'm quite impressed with this one, guys. Here are more details about the product. If you want, you can pause and go through it. Here are the directions for use as well. I'm definitely happy and excited to try this one. So those are all the products in the October edition Ellish box. Then we have some coupon codes or discount vouchers as well. There is one from the Nature's Co here, which is valid till end of this year. Then we have a leaflet from the brand Cocoon, and here are all their products mentioned and some more details. Then there's a card from Ellish Box, and there is a 5% off coupon for 3, 6 or 12 month subscription for Ellish Box itself. So this is to celebrate their mid anniversary, and this is definitely good because Ellish boxes have been impressing me from their first edition itself. So I would not hesitate to go for a long-term subscription. And this is the info card. All the pricing details are mentioned here. The Acom face mask is for $570. Nature's Co night cream is for $335. Cocoon Insta Lift Wrinkle Filler is for $999 rupees. Toner for $550. Blush for $595. Pain Relief Patch is a complimentary free gift. So the total worth comes to more than 3,000 rupees. So you're getting almost 10 times what you pay. So no doubts, it's a great box. I love the products. There are 2 CTM products. There's a toner and there's a moisturizer or night cream. Then there's this wrinkle filler, which is like skincare and makeup both. A good makeup product, a face mask, which seems pretty good, and a very nice personal hygiene as well. A very good combination of products, like curation wise. The brands are great and overall worth is of course way high than what we pay, and the box cost is also so affordable. I am really happy with this edition. I would definitely recommend getting Ellish Box to all of you guys. The November edition pre-booking has already started, so you can book the November edition itself from their website. If you like Ellish Box and would like to order it, then all details are mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. You will also find the link to the giveaway running on my channel, so if you haven't already, then definitely do check it out and participate. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel and you can win some amazing gifts from Zobag. So don't miss your chance. I hope you like this video. And if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.